The lock is very strong and sturdy. It would be very difficult for someone to try to cut it or to figure out the 5-number lock. It did take me a moment to figure out how to change the combination for the lock, but it only took a couple of minutes to read the directions, which includes pictures. Works as advertised. Easy to use. Works good. I would purchase another if I needed. Fits nicely in a small bike pack. Numbers are big and easy to see. Looks nice. Have been using it for a week. Sturdy for now. Bought to use on my 5-year-old daughter's bike. Easy to use and set your own combination. Haven't had for very long, but I'm happy so far with purchase. This is a very nice bike cable. It's long, sturdy and flexible. The dials are easy to spin and the lock open and closes easily. And it stays closed. Click link in description for more reviews.